Did you see the Amber Heard testimony yesterday?
I did not.
No.
That got pretty, what's the word yesterday? It was a little bit awkward.
Heard's the word.
Johnny Depp's lawyer cross-examined Amber Heard yesterday. It got very tense, I guess is what it got. Everything Johnny Depp's lawyer would say, she would answer back, and you could tell there was a lot of tension in the courtroom, but most people said that Johnny Depp's lawyer scored a lot of points yesterday. And the court of public opinion is crushing for Johnny Depp.
I can't remember if we've even discussed this. Is this a jury trial or is this just a judge making a decision?
I want to say it's a judge, but I'm not positive.
This was some of the questioning that Amber Heard got yesterday. First, she said, now, Johnny got you the role that you got in Aquaman, right?
Mr. Depp mentions Aquaman, doesn't he?
Yes, he does.
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?
Excuse me?
Mr. Depp got you that role in Aquaman, didn't he?
No, Miss Vasquez, I got myself that role by auditioning.
Neither one of these would give an inch on the stand yesterday. Neither the lawyer nor Amber Heard. And Johnny Depp just stared down and drew.
How long can you hold your breath, Miss Heard?
Can you even swim?
Well, then.
And how do they talk underwater, Miss Heard?
Look, Aquaman was an okay movie, but it wasn't a masterpiece.
Biggie's exactly right.
I don't think she had to do a lot of auditioning. I do believe he probably was like, give her a role. Now, she can play like a princess underwater. Fine. Fine.
Is Momoa going to take the stand?
We wait. We wait and watch. Then the lawyer got on to, apparently, for their rehearsal dinner, Amber Heard had sent an email to her friends, and it was like the schedule of the evening. It's like rehearsal, do this, do that. And at the bottom, it was like, get drunk, do drugs. And was the last thing on there.
Your original idea was to have a rehearsal dinner with your husband, the drug addict, the monster, and then do drugs with your girlfriends on the island after your rehearsal dinner.
I realize that's what the email suggests, but that wasn't
No,
a
it's
plan.
not what it suggests, Miss Heard.
It just puts it out there in black and white. And it really did. They showed that. And I thought, when I was watching this last night, I thought, oh boy, Johnny Depp is winning this. And when he came into the courtroom, everybody was like, yay.
Oh, really?
Even women. And they had a lot of experts on saying this is going to do bad things for women who are abused because they won't come forward now. Because now all these people love Johnny Depp and dislike Amber Heard. In fact,
but a year ago, it was going the other way.
The other direction.
But she made her case so convincingly that he was an abuser.
I think it's her incompetent attorney that has really cost her.
Sometimes just the lawyer in the courtroom.
This woman was really good, Ms. Vasquez. And she suggested that Heard had doctored her photos after Johnny Depp attacked her to make it look worse than it really was.
Isn't it true you just edited these photographs?
No, I've never edited a photograph.
Didn't you just enhance the saturation for one of these photos to make your face look more red?
No, that's incorrect. I didn't touch it.
Miss Heard, my question is a bit more nuanced.
So is my answer.
Ooh.
They did not like each other.
Look, we've all pushed the saturation button from time to time. Make that blue sky just a little bit bluer.
Yeah. That's right, baby.
Make that ocean sand just a little bit whiter. We've all done it.
I don't know how to do that kind of stuff.
You don't.
My wife will send me photos. I'm like, my God, that's a great photo.
I was there. It didn't look like that.
Oh, no, the pictures are so much better.
Incredible.
Am I getting a cataract?
Put that Juno filter on there.
How did you do it? Todd, a little info on the Amber Heard Johnny Depp trial. Go ahead.
Hey, fellas, good morning. P1 from Salisbury.
Thank you.
It is a jury trial.
It is.
It's currently 9 members on the jury, and when it's said and done, I don't know how they're going to depict this, but there's going to be 7 of them decide the outcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
So you sound like you're keeping up with it pretty well.
Yeah.
Then. How do you? I think it's going badly for Amber Heard, don't you think?
Most definitely. I've been keeping up with it on court TV. They play it every day, and yesterday. She tanked bad yesterday.
At the end.
So I think what I understood is that Amber Heard is now done testifying.
Yes,
so
she is.
Is the Johnny Depp cross-examination next?
They have already crossed, and they brought in another witness yesterday before it was over.
So do you think it's wrapping up?
Yeah, the judge actually put a timer on them to where they couldn't take so much time.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, yesterday at the end, and by the way, thank you very much, Todd. When it was over, after this woman was questioning Amber Heard, when it all ended for yesterday, the lawyer and Johnny Depp hugged and like high-fived. They were so excited about their performance yesterday. And the reporter said, everybody thought,
Please, no selfies with me yet, jurors. I can't pose for selfies yet.
well, I'll tell you, at the end, the lawyer, she had video of James Franco in an elevator with Amber Heard at about 11 o'clock at night. And the theory is, the big rumor is that Johnny Depp was angry because Amber Heard was having an affair with James Franco. And they had elevator video of them going up.
You're taking him up to the penthouses, aren't you?
That's where I lived, yes.
And it's past 11 p.m. at night.
Yeah, that's right. It is. And she said he just came over as a friend.
This is not a booty call.
No booty.
But a lot of people thought it was a booty call when James Franco, former friend of Johnny Depp, came over. He and Amber Heard were in 3 movies together.
That's the best way to play it, is to have a female lawyer question her.
If
you have a male lawyer do that, I mean, they're verbally beating up on her. But if you have a female do it,
exactly,
that's good lawyering.
We've seen enough of that on Law and Order, haven't we, Dave?
Oh yes,
we know all about that.
Yeah.
Whenever a woman is a victim on the stand,
you get Angie Harmon to question.
Thank you. That's lawyering 101.
And the fact she's beautiful doesn't hurt.
Great lawyer. And well, this woman was no slouch herself.
Is that right?
And she went right after Amber Heard. Now, after she got done, Heard's lawyer scrambled. This was also a woman, different person. Scrambled to try and take back some points. And the question was about Johnny Depp had not looked at her the entire trial. He had told her once, "You'll never see my eyes again." I can't take off on him like Chris Demm can. But he said,
"Never see my eyes again."
He said, "You will never ever see my eyes again."
It's a great line.
Yeah, and she hasn't, because he sits and looks down the entire time. Well, Amber Heard's lawyer said, "Why do you think he won't make eye contact with you?"
When Ms. Vasquez asked you if you knew why Mr. Depp couldn't or wouldn't look you in the eye here or in the UK, you said, yes, you know. Why? Please tell the jury why.
Because he's guilty.
He's guilty and can't look at her, because he can't look her in the eye because he knows all this stuff is true.
Objection.
Yeah, I would object that.
Yeah, well, they did not. And then at that point, the lawyer said, "Okay, we're done." She rested her case. The Heard lawyer did. Pretty fascinating on the stand yesterday.
Thank God Dave and Kelly aren't on the jury. You two can barely hide your erections for when the lawyer and Heard are going at it.
I know. I wouldn't know which lawyer to pick.
All right, the jury may be excused. What? You two as well. I can't stand it.
Heard and Depp can take a hike. Give me the lawyers.
What I just saw was so hot.